it's Avery Gallagher, your Houston, Texas home gal. And today for this video, I have asked a really special friend to join me. Not only is he a friend, he's one of the top 1% lenders in the nation. He's been in the mortgage industry for over 20 years. I brought Yes, I brought him here today because I have a very important question that I wanted to answer for my viewers, and I thought what better person could answer this question than Eric. So the question I want him to answer today is, what is the big difference between working with a commercial bank like Bank of America or Wells Fargo versus a local lender?
Thank you so much, Avery, for having me. And yes, that is one question, but it is a very important question. Whether you're a buyer or a seller, you have to hear this. So my top reasons are, number one, big banks and online lenders, they're not local. So what that means is that when a buyer and seller get under contract, they're not gonna have local appraisals. So they may send somebody that's not familiar with a particular neighborhood or area that would do a poor job on an appraisal, which would jeopardize a transaction for the buyer and the seller. Secondly, communication. What do you think the biggest complaint is when someone's buying or selling a home?
Poor communication.
Bad communication. That is everyone. Our commitment is to communicate from day one all the way to closing and even afterwards. That way everyone's at ease, everyone knows what's going on and knows that we're on track for closing on time. Also, the big banks, they don't have experience. Like you mentioned, I've got 20 years experience. This is my 21st year, and the banks don't require their employees and loan officers to have licenses. So they give fresh people that don't know how to put loans together, that don't know how to customize them to the specific buyer, and sometimes they don't make it to the finish line, or a lot of times they don't make it to the finish lines. And we help you win, right? The market is still competitive. There's still a lot of offers out there. Inventory is still low. Rates are still low if you compare it to the last 30 years. So we're still having to reach out to listing agents to let them know, hey, our buyer is fully pre-approved. They're strong. We talk about what separates us from everybody else, and we help our people win. Yes. In addition to being competitive, we also want to be very competitive and offer competitive terms to all of our clients. And last but not least, we care. Yes. Right? Most people don't care. If you reach out to a big bank, you're just a number. You have to call a 1-800 number. They don't care whether you make it to the finish line or not. They're still going to collect their salary, their hourly rate. We care. We don't win unless you win, and we care to see you and your family in your dream home.
Yes. Thank you so much, Eric, for answering that question. I hope if you're watching this that you feel very informed. And I can say everything that Eric said about his team is true. I've worked with him on many different files, and it's true. They do an amazing job communicating and getting us to closing and keeping up with me and my clients past then. So thank you for that. And
You're welcome.
You guys for watching. If you need a realtor or a lender, we're both here to help. Give me a call at 832-729-7258. Thank you.
Have a great day.